gonna start with 3 sticks of butter, half a cup of light brown sugar, a couple of twists of some salt, a splash of vanilla, give this a stir. And 2½ cups of chopped pecans. Stir. Bring this to a full boil, and you want to boil this down for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cook that down for 2 to 3 minutes. I've got a box of honey graham crackers. This is gonna go all over those graham crackers. 1 layer. Oh, it smells like the holidays in here. I'm gonna spread this around. Just be careful, this is very hot. Once this is in 1 layer, I've got some semi-sweet chocolate chips that we're just gonna put right on top. I like these little tiny ones. They get into all the little cracks. I like using these mini chocolate chips. They're perfect for this recipe. And then I've also got some crumbled bacon. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top of all of the sweet pecans and the chocolate chips. It's gonna be so good, guys. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about like 8 to 10 minutes. Oh my goodness, guys, it smells so good in here. I'm gonna use Praline chocolate bacon. I don't know if you wanna call it bark or crack. Look at that, take a bite. Oh. Smells so good. Mmm, absolutely delicious. You need to make these, they're so good.